Hi there and welcome to SeveUp app. I'm Ivan and in this video I'm going to be explaining how to go about creating BIM dashboard in SeveUp app and Microsoft Power BI. If you need to know how to get started with SeveUp app, then head over to part 1 now, where I teach you how to create your first project, upload a BIM model and link a BIM dashboard. In order to do this, you're going to need to sign up for one of our pricing plans. I'll drop a link into the description so that you can head over there to our website and sign up. Now let's get straight to it. Go to Create Dashboard button and click on it. That will take you to a tutorial page on how to create your first dashboard, which is very handy if you forget. Then click on Start at the bottom. At the top of the page you will see the progress bar that is showing you where you are in this creation process. Here you can choose to either create a new project or select an existing project. I'm going to just select this sample project for now and click on OK. Then click on Next. Now you can either upload a dashboard template from your computer directly, or you can select an existing one, which is what I'm going to do here by selecting the one that I want. This project and the template are now loaded into the wizard. Click on Next to move onto Select BIM Models. Now all the BIM models that you have available will come up here and you just select the ones that you want to use. You can actually upload several BIM models at a time to allow you to merge them together in a single dashboard. Next, click on Get Your Dashboards and save your ready-to-use dashboard template on your computer. Now let's open Microsoft Power BI Desktop. This application is free to use. You'll find a link below for you to head over and download it. Go to File and select Browse Reports. Set up the extension file as PBIT, which is the Power BI template file and not PBIX extension, which is for Power BI project file. Select the file and press Open. Choose the Power BI template file that you just downloaded from SeveUp app and click on Load. Wait for the file to open. As you can see, it's loading BIM data and the BIM dashboard. And there you have it. You've now created your Power BI template with your own data using SeveUp app and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to find out how to link a BIM dashboard to your project, then head over to this video right up here where I explain just how to do that. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.